Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're looking at an air temperature and a dew point temperature coming in at exactly the same, 75, both of them. That brings you to 100% relative humidity out there, and it feels a little humid. East-northeast wind continues lightly at about 5. That east wind will be a fixture throughout the day today. I don't see much change there, except right along the immediate coast you'll develop a sea breeze. Once you develop the sea breeze, we'll start thinking about chances of rainfall. That sea breeze probably starting up around the noontime hour, maybe a little before, coming in about 90 degrees by noon, 92 by 3. By 3, we'll start to see the east wind carrying in showers into Hardee, DeSoto, maybe even into western parts of Charlotte, Manatee, and Sarasota counties. And then as we head into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hours, those inland showers will be moving closer to the coastline, where they'll probably blossom because they'll hit that sea breeze front, and the updrafts will markedly rise and strengthen. So you see the effect of the easterly wind flow on these radar echoes. Gradually, the fetch of air off the Atlantic coast, picking up some moisture, creating some showers. There's also a little trough of low pressure here that's helping to enhance rainfall chances. All of that gradually drifting across the state into our neck of the woods later in the day. Right now, we're not looking at much in the way of any kind of echoes, and really don't anticipate seeing any during your morning drive time. Today will be pretty much a carbon copy of yesterday, with one exception. Yesterday we had a couple of big storms, no doubt about that. Gusty winds, even damaging winds. We had some very heavy downpours of rain and some frequent lightning. I think we'll have that same thing again this afternoon, but we'll have more of them. I think our rain chances will be a little bit higher today than they were yesterday. We have more moisture in the air coming our way, and we have this little trough of low pressure that's helping to enhance our rain shower chances. High pressure to the north, easterly wind on the underbelly of that high continues today, and we have winds that are localized sea breezes that will clash with that easterly wind. So our showers build all along the west coast of Florida. Rain chance probably at about 40% or so. So 60% or so. So we look at that east wind continuing at about 10 knots today. That will bring you light chop with about 2-foot seas. And the extended range forecast looks like this. We'll have today about a 92 for a daytime high, 60% chance of rainfall. Same thing happens again tomorrow. Good chance of rainfall, some of the storms heavy. We'll have across the region continuing of about a 50% chance of rainfall with 91 the temperature. Same thing on Friday. And then as we head into the weekend, the all-important weekend, about a 60% chance of rainfall. 92 the daytime high, and that'll carry us right into next week. Each day feels like temperature cracking 100.